So I'll be showing you how to change the lock screen shortcuts on your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. So just long press on the lock screen. So just press once and then long press on the lock screen and then tap on customize lock screen and then unlock your phone. Now from the lock screen editor, just swipe up and you should see shortcuts. Tap on that and you can see we have the left shortcut, which is the home button or the device controls because it's selected here, and the right shortcut, which has nothing right now. So for instance, I can put touch there, or if it was a touch there, I can change that to QR code scanner. And on the left one, which was device controls, I can change that to camera and then just tap on apply. Okay. And then once you do that, now your lock screen should have new shortcuts. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.